Come on. Puppy. 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 Come on. Come. Come. Puppy. That's a good puppy. That's a good puppy. Sit. Good. Sit. Heel. Come on. Sit. Good. Heel. Sit. Good. Up here. Ignore him. Stay. While we're facing this way a little bit. Your distraction. Very good. Stay. Look. Come here. Sit. Pay attention up here. Stay, Odin. Good. No, no, no. Sit. Good. Sit. Mommy. Stay. Good. Heel. Good. Check. Check. Check where you're at. Puppy. Sit. Sit. Sit hard, Ed. Sit hard, Ed. Sit hard, Ed. Good. Heel. Let's try it again. Come on. Come on. Sit. Good. Sit. Heel. Come on, puppy. Sit. I know, he's right there. Big deal. Good. There's a dog right here. Heel. Sit. Good. Stay. Very good. Heel. Puppy. Very boring. 3 sit. Sit, stay, down. I'm teaching this dog not predictable. Sit. Fair and consistent. Heel. I'm teaching the dog to work and pay attention despite the distraction right here off to the right that you can't see. There's a dog in a crate right here, right out of camera range. Heel. Sit. Stay. So I want to get this dog to cooperate and focus despite the distraction of a dog right here in the space. Stay. Because this dog's, if you want to call it issue, is the dog is a therapy dog and he's too reactive to other dogs and people when he's in public. My goal is to get his attention and keep him focused. Stay. Up here. Every time he looks away, I'm going to say, pay attention up here, look at me, whatever, and give him a little tug. Not for punishment, but to reattain his focus. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Every time a dog looks at your eyes, oxytocin is released in his bloodstream, reinforcing on a physiological level the eye contact. Good boy. Come on, bud. Check. Good. Check. Good. Good. See? A little bit of pressure to negatively stimulus to motivate, negative stimulus to motivate compliance. Heel. Come on. Good. Sit. Very good. That's very good. Heel. Come on. Sit. Very good. Very good. Stay. The dog's starting to calm down a little bit when I do the stay. He's learning that I'm not going to sneak off when I get behind him in his blind spot. Stay. Much better. See? See? He wagged his little tail because he started to understand that I am predictable. Stay. Very good. Very good. Heel. Come on. It's very important that dog understand that you're predictable, you're fair, you're consistent. Sit. I believe that's where respect comes from. Heel. Come on, puppy. Hit the puppy. Sit. Good. Very good. Heel. Come on, puppy. Sit. Up here. Hi, puppy. Good boy, good boy. Stay. Good boy. Heel. Let's move on to the next part. D-O-W-N. Sit. Pay attention. Down. I know, usually it's down this way. Down. What's that mean? Down. Good. I want the dog to respond to this command. Because again, I'm trying to instill a system of checks and balances that ensures eye contact, attention, cooperation. Looking the other way. I'm going to sneak off the next time he turns his head away. He's going to get a little dong. If he doesn't look away. Okay. Good boy. No negative stimulus if he doesn't look away. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Now. Help him when I'm telling him what I want him to do. By pulling down gently on the lead. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. By telling him stay and walking around him, what I'm saying to him very specifically is, stay here no matter where I go in your perimeter. Front, side, back. Good boy. Stay. Now I'm also drawing a line around the dog, defining what I call my area of control. The amount of space that I control this dog's life. I'm literally defining by making the size of my circle. Let's try it again. Come on. Sit.